here we are with a Dick Barton type of chase with two cars that couldn't go more than 20 miles an hour. So it's a hell of a chase.
Oh, it's
quite nice.
Lauren Hardy.
I mean, if you look at it and dissect it, the music's doing the pace for you. The action Doctor's doing, the fast action he's doing, and running into the car, getting into the car, pressing this, doing that, and letting the brake and go. And the tightness and the fast cutting you do gives you the pace. I think you get away with it. All right, it's a chase at 20 miles an hour, so that's what it is.
Right, now we're all okay, we're in neutral, and I just press that hard, and that's it. Is that right?
I think so.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Excellent. Right, what am I doing?
We were slightly struggling to keep up with Nellie, just because
Her car's faster than yours.
I guess her car's faster than us. We were actually overheating.
I did it in one take, didn't I? I did in one take. Wonder, way to go.
Could be that I can go up into third. I was just worried because, well, on the slope earlier, that's when it died in third, so I was trying to keep out of third.
I'll slow her down a little bit.
I could get it going, but it just didn't have much speed. It just didn't have a lot of poke to it. And of course, inevitably when you're filming, there's a camera car somewhere as well, and you're trying to stay a certain distance in front of them so that they can get the shot. That's difficult enough in a modern car, but when you're driving something that you don't really have all the control over you would wish for, it can be a little bit difficult, especially when you start going up hills and the engine just doesn't want to know. We're driving a sewing machine behind you.
I'm sorry, Dave. Am I showing you up a little bit?
Well, it's not me, it's the engineering of...
Are you sure
It's
about
the
that?
engineering of past ages.
You want to say about lady drivers, David? What?
Oh.
Thank you. While
What was
David's
that?
car goes on the low loader, please.
Yeah.
Aha! You're
Yeah.
obviously not good enough, clearly. I'm going to be driving you on the low loader.
There's no more driving for David as the car is secured to the camera truck.
Yeah, good.
Time is in flux, Donna! For all we know, this is the night Agatha Christie loses her life and history gets changed.
But where's she going?
The lake! She's heading for the lake! I enjoyed it. And I didn't blow it up. I didn't break it, which is always a plus.
Don't forget to click below to subscribe to the official Doctor Who YouTube channel.